some love. On it, got it, on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I am going to be reviewing one of Outre's new units. I have their melted hairline unit in the style Martina. So originally I wanted to try out this unit, and when I saw it I was like, but she looks extremely flat and silky, so I was like, maybe not. I'll wait to see some other reviews and then see what she's like. And let me tell y'all, all of my girls who do wig reviews on here, y'all have been slaying this unit, that you have inspired me so much to purchase one myself and get one, because she looks absolutely bomb and the texture is there. Okay, so if you are watching this video and you haven't watched any of the other Martina wig reviews, make sure you check them out after this video, because the colors are amazing. Unfortunately, when I was trying to get one, I got it from ELEVATESTYLES and they didn't have any other color options available once I put my order in. So I have the color 1B, and I usually do like 2 or something just a little bit lighter. So 1B is about to look a little bit dark, but I'm hoping that it's going to look okay. But I just really want to get my hands on her and try her and see how she works out for me. So anyways, finish talking. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on my socials. They're right here on my screen and my description bar as well. And then we're just going to go ahead and jump into the install of this unit. Okay. Alright, so she's already looking exactly how I wanted once taking it out of the packaging, y'all. The texture of this unit is like a slight yucky, so it isn't super duper silky. Like, this could definitely go for someone's this could definitely go for like my hair texture for sure. Like, once I get a good blowout and straighten. I see some layers in here as well, and the way the unit is made, it looks like it's only made to be a middle part, but I might try to flip her and see what she looks like as a side part. I'm a little disappointed that I do have the color in 1B, simply because I don't really like for my hair to be super duper black. My phone fell. Super duper black, but nonetheless, the edges are looking there. The hairline is looking there. So I'm excited to see what she's going to look like. So let's just go ahead and work with her and get her put on. Wow. Literally, wow. Outre never disappoints, okay? They just never disappoint. They know what they're doing. I don't know where Outre's headquarters is or who is making these units, but they are not disappointing whatsoever. They are not disappointing. Can't do loud claps because I'm trying not to be too loud, y'all. Hands down, favorite unit at this point. And when I see companies restock on these, best believe I'm ordering other colors, The 1B is already giving me life. She is giving, she is serving. So I can only imagine if I was to get 2, or if I was to get these other colors that they have it in ginger brown, red velvet, and the golden amber honey. I bet that is going to be bomb. And can we also talk about this hairline? Okay, so I did not use any spray or anything like I usually do. I was like, I'm gonna just make it look as melted as possible with just using my Got To Be gel, and that's what I did. And she's stuck, she's secure. I could have cut these little edges a little more, but just because sometimes I like to change the style of how I wear my units, I didn't want to cut too much hair off in the front, and of course it can't grow back. But this is definitely wearable just like it is. You just blend in that extra piece of hair right into your hairline. I went in with a little bit of makeup where the lace was just still sitting a little bit light, and y'all, it is literally it. So I went over with the hot comb and the flat irons. On the ends I did the flat iron because it had kind of that little necklace appearing, and I mean you can see it on the stock card as well, like she has flipped ends, but I prefer not to have flipped ends, so that's why I went in with my flat iron and fixed that a little bit. I gave it a little bit of height right here near the parting space with my hot comb. You just do a little flip method, kind of just push the roots up just a little bit so you can have a little height so it won't be sitting so flat, and it is perfect. And before I glued this down, I meant to see how she would look in the side part. I guess I should have did that before gluing it, but I absolutely love how this looks, and I'm not going to adjust it or anything. Also, parting space was super duper visible. However, I did just go in with some powder to add some color because I wanted it to blend with the rest of my lace and hairline and everything that is showing here. So you want to make sure that it is all like seamless, one color and all that. So that's why I put some makeup there. But the parting space nonetheless was still very visible. The bangs are my go-to type bangs. I love when I have like these good full like flirty cute bangs right here in the front. They just frame the face so well. This is like a perfect everyday unit, perfect going out unit, date unit, movie unit, freaking office unit, going to work, anything. Like, she is appropriate for all. And I'm just so glad I decided to purchase this unit, and I'm so glad that I watched Deanna's video, honey, because sis, if you're watching this, you are who convinced me to try this unit out. She tried I think 2 or 3 different colors, I can't remember, but girl, that red one looked bomb on you. I was like, I need this unit. And I'm just so glad that, you know, I watched some reviews on this, because when you first see it, you're like, oh, she's silky and she's flat and the ends and the curls, and the picture is not giving what you actually get once you purchase this unit. It's perfection. This unit is legit perfection. I have nothing bad to say about it. The head cap, the cap size of it fits amazing. I did do the adjustable strap just a tad bit. It comes with the elastic band. It has the combs in it, but I did not use the combs. Hairline is perfect, melted right in. The baby hairs are perfect. It's not too much or too little. Like, there's literally nothing bad to say about this unit. This unit is perfect, y'all. So if you want one, check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you, but you can also just Google the name of it. You need this unit in your collection. You need it. You absolutely need it. And that's point blank period. I'm done. I'm not even going to keep bragging on her. She is it. She is it. Outre, you did your absolute thing with this unit, okay? Did their thing. This is perfect. So I'm gonna leave it there. Y'all got any questions, leave them in my comment section below and I will answer for you. And that's all I got for y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.